found it.
The Case IH Quatrac 620 is sinking deep in the mud. Fortunately, it was pulled ashore by the powerful Cat Challenger 865C. After harvesting corn and leaving the corn field, the Case 539's crawler sprocket was filled with mud inside. The old Kumo tractor has just been delivered. He was climbing down from the tractor trailer by himself to return to his retirement land. The JCB excavator uses for steel plates as supports during dredging and widening the ditch before the planting season. Castagnetti JC specializes in demolishing high-rise buildings, and their job today is to take down a rather tall brick tower. But it's not really okay because the road is still quite muddy and extremely soft. It may get stuck. The Kubota 200 crawler excavator is a small-sized crawler excavator with the advantage of being able to work in difficult terrain with its climbing ability. And in the video, Kubota 200 is using this skill to climb onto the truck bed with the distance from the ground to the truck bed being quite high. The power of the bucket and professional handling skills deserve a score of 100 in this case. Two tractors at both ends are escorting two K-Tech 1233 ADT scrapers as they move and fill two bins. Many people wonder why they don't just make each tow truck push one scraper bucket instead. This setup is good for trips carrying soil long distances and dumping it. Here they had to travel up to 2 miles to dump land.
These scrapers are equipped with engines with dual horsepower.
as you're loading these machines in the first.
This is a land mining area with a full display of machines from Caterpillar such as Caterpillar D10T Crawler Dozer, Cat 631 Scraper Tires.
Push pulls. 4 engines on these machines. So we're concentrating the power of 4.
Or those Cat 385C Crawler excavators over there. Chungs are like golden bees working hard. KTEC 1233 ADT is designed for self-loading with a capacity of 40 tons, more than 400 horsepower rock truck. This is a Cat 938G with a Cat 3126 6-cylinder turbocharged engine, 145 horsepower, automatic transmission, for quick release. "10-ton 16 feet traction grader. Helps the tractor turn 425 horsepower to level the road before spreading gravel. The first production D7E diesel-electric dozer seen in operation in Europe and the first built for landfill duty. The D7E features an innovative diesel-electric powertrain that helps you save money by doing more while using significantly less fuel. The clearest example of that is that in the first 3 days of working at the landfill, D75 only consumed 27 liters of diesel per hour. Consuming less fuel and being able to move 10% more material than similar bulldozers, the D7E is truly winning the hearts of customers.